This is a Ryobi bug fogger. I've always been told you could use it with mineral oil to make, smoke outside. I just found out that supposedly you can use it with regular fog juice, which I happen to have. Maybe I didn't put enough juice in it. It is also kind of windy out here. Let's try it inside where it's not windy. I don't know about this. Okay, the suction tube is at the back, so I'll tilt it back and see if we get better results. I feel like it's spraying too much water. Everything's slightly wet. Outdoors, not a problem. Indoors, problem. Clearly it's just not quite atomizing right. It's staying too wet, too heavy, falls right out of the sky, makes everything wet. So at least with this Ryobi one and the fog juice I've got, this is a no-go. We're going to go back to trying the mineral spirits. Okay, I went ahead and got real mineral oil. We're going to try that, but we're definitely going to do it outside because this will leave a slick film on the floor sometimes. Yeah, it's been a problem for other people before. So outdoors. Okay, I know it's a little windy, but we're going to try it out. It's working, but it's really windy out here. Maybe let's try it someplace a little less windy. Alright, we're going to try hunkering down in this corner, see what it looks like. Proof of concept, yes, but there has to be like no wind for this to work. And I'm in western Colorado, so maybe early in the morning? Try it again. The slightest breeze and it's just gone. It's not really hanging around much. It just kind of goes, dissipates. I mean, it's a tiny, tiny little bit of smoke. Right here, kind of near where I was aiming it. I don't know if you can see how shiny those leaves are. There's certainly a little bit of residue in there. Now I have seen this work with propane-powered bug foggers, but maybe the battery-operated one doesn't get hot enough, doesn't put out enough juice. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking this might be a lost cause for this particular project. Might need something bigger, like fire. What have you used for haze in remote locations? Let me know.